everyone, back with another keto recipe, and this was a great one with leftover ham. It's a ham and broccoli cheddar bake, and it makes 2 servings. So you'll need 6 ounces of chopped up ham, a bag of the riced broccoli, a block of cheddar cheese or the shredded, but shredded would be more carbs, so shred it yourself, pink salt, pepper, and oregano, and then a small cake pan, a bowl for shredding your cheese, a shredder, a 1-cupper, a 1/3 cupper, and a spoon. Let's preheat the oven to 400. While that's heating, let's go ahead and heat up our riced broccoli in the microwave on 6 minutes. While that's heating, let's chop up our ham. It's 6 ounces. Just put it in nice bite-sized pieces. Then let's also shred up 2 cups of the cheese, unless you got your own shredded cheese. Now, once the broccoli's done, let's put that into our small cake pan. Add over the chopped up ham. Add a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1 cup to start with of the cheddar cheese, heavily pink salt, light pepper, light oregano, and then we're going to give this a good stir and then just kind of flatten it down in the pan and then put it into the oven and bake for 10 minutes. After it bakes, pull it out, and then we're going to add the other cup of cheese on the top there and back into the oven and just cook another 2 minutes just to melt the cheese down. Then you'll see the picture here. Ooh, it looks delicious. And then go ahead and serve up. Like I said, it makes 2 servings. And I'll tell you what, this was a delicious recipe. My husband loved it. And it was only 5.5 net carbs a plate. Yum, yum, yum. Definitely make this for your family. If you need to make a bigger serving of it, just double it, triple it, quadruple it, whatever you need. And everybody, make sure to keep it keto.